At the end of the year 2020, a catastrophic event took place. Global warming shut down the South and North Pole. This caused a great flood that wiped out most of the continents, and the population was forced to live in caves for many years, leaving behind life as we have known for centuries. In the year 2050, people were able to get out of their caves to start a new way of living. Therefore, they were faced with the challenge of designing new cities with the materials and elements that nature could provide. Starting a new way of life, focusing on human needs and resources, creating an axial urban grid well organized, with the appropriate urban equipment at short distances, meaning no more than 500 meters away from the residential area, giving its inhabitants the possibility of making shorter trips that can easily be done in sustainable ways. On the periphery of the urban organization is the area destined for waste. Between 30% and 50% of waste should end up in composting systems and between 35 and 50% recycled. Sustainable non-motorized modes of mobility, such as walks and bicycles, help cities to have healthier habitats, less acoustic and air pollution, decongested streets, and more public and green space available on the surface. The housing area is planned within the concept of community life, and this way, people will look forward to work as a team in order to survive. This area is structured in a modular way, mixing urban gardens with houses. Building blocks will be made on compressed earth blocks, which have more adequate mechanical properties in addition to superior weather resistance compared to other earth construction materials. Likewise, the material will have lower environmental impact and lower costs than other construction materials, meaning the city will be able to grow without jeopardizing the environment. This term is known as vernacular architecture. This architecture was born among the indigenous people of each region as a response to their habitat needs, but in this case, it also means placing greater emphasis on what communities can do for themselves and how capacities can be strengthened. Creating a new definition of what moves and connects us, focusing on the realities of the context, meaning climate, geography, history, and culture. Life in this new era is different from what our ancestors lived. Problems such as discrimination, racism, as well as socioeconomic differences were overcome to reach a new common goal, the assurance of a future for humanity. Life in community is designed so everyone can have the same rights and chores. In this society, people must be more united than ever before to survive the adversities of the new world.